When was the last time you have thanked for your existence? Hey Reshaper, I hope you're fantastic today. In this very video I want to share with you why we should all practice day in, day out. What? Yes, we should practice gratitude. Back in the days when I was in Tokyo, I forgot about the gratitude because I was just overwhelmed with business. I had my university and I had my part-time job, and all of a sudden I woke up at 4 o'clock and go to bed like 1 o'clock, maybe 12 o'clock. So it was always like 4 hours sleep, 2 hours sleep, something like that. And I was too busy to even say thank you for all this what I have. And all of a sudden, it was really my dream to live in Tokyo. For myself, I have really lost appreciation to be in Tokyo. I lost this kind of feel, the sparkle in myself to live in Tokyo. And what actually eventually happened, because I lost it, first of all, I lost money. Because I lost this appreciation, what eventually happened is our school or tuition fee has been raised on 1.5. So I couldn't afford it. Because I couldn't afford it, I have to go back to Germany. In Germany, what eventually happened, I first of all strive very hard, but when I recognized that my striving is for nothing, I have been in deep despair. And this deep despair struck back my own social anxiety, firstly. And secondly, what also happened is myself, I'm also a millennial like yours, I was even suicidal. Yes, I had suicidal tendencies in this very moment, and one person has come across and helped me to overcome it, and I made myself as a promise in this very moment to help 7 million people who suffer from social anxiety to break out of social anxiety. And personally, I'm feeling also important to also give you some options how you can also increase your income, because even you get out of the social anxiety without the monetary abundance, you can't actually get the full abundance, and you have to have the full abundance to really overcome it fully. If you have the full abundance, then you can overcome it fully. Without, you can't. If you want to break out of the social anxiety, first of all, you can go and watch this video above. Alternatively, you can go on the description box below where you can find out my website and you can schedule a call with myself. I do also social media all over the place. TikTok, I have another YouTube channel in Japanese, it calls Alex No Hair. Then you have also Instagram, where you can follow me, all the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can follow me on all the platforms because I deliver different content on every platform. Reshaper, what is this really important to give really every time gratitude? Well, back in the days, Einstein had also said that gratitude is the most valuable thing that we have to practice every single day. He personally practices it right before he goes to the shore. What he does it, he has said at least 100 times, thank you for what I have, thank you for you know, everything that he has. Just thanks for everything, for life, for being healthy, for just literally just thank you without for anything, just really thank you at least. And when you say it like 100 times before we shore, it just anchors in our brain, and we feel appreciation in this spark. And because we have this appreciation in this spark, what will also happen is we also not to feel this gratitude, we feel also kind of this lust for life. We feel lust for life because we appreciate life, we appreciate what we have, and we appreciate to strive forward and go forward with an abundance energy and not the needy energy that I want to have it energy. Okay, so basically when you practice appreciation really actively, a miracle will happen to you. This video is every single day. Tomorrow's video I want to share with you one simple thing that you can do and you can take action directly. I will provide you something that you can do so you can start and contribute towards end of the poverty in the world. Have you heard it? End of the poverty in this world. If you want to know this real technique and what you can do, I want first of all really go and subscribe to my channel to not miss out, and also please notification bell to see when the video is out. Also share with your friends, because I believe sharing is caring. Give me a like if you got some value from it. In this very channel I do videos about tackling social anxiety, procrastination and so on, a little bit about Facebook marketing. You can check these videos in the meanwhile, and as always, do not lie to yourself and pursue your passion now. See you next video.